Discover a path of your own design, a path of pure intent and positive affirmations with each new day. Discover Mantra Botanical Scents. Mantra Scents is a unique line of botanical scents created to cultivate distinct affirmations throughout your day. Each individual mantra scent contains a carefully selected blend of botanicals that can stimulate your senses and focus your mind on positive intention. Just apply mantra scents to pulse points, such as your neck, wrist, chest, or behind the knee, and start enjoying the targeted benefits of these unique botanical blends. Mantra Confident features notes of bergamot, mandarin, jasmine, and ylang-ylang to help you feel strong, feel worthy, and remember that you're worth the extra effort. With Mantra Resilient, you'll find the wherewithal to rise up, bounce back, and bravely press forward with notes of cedar, apple, lemon, and musk. Bring positive flow to your day with the prosperity, happiness, and wealth of Mantra Abundant, with carefully selected top notes of freesia, cranberry, amber, sandalwood, and musk. Channel your passions, virtues, and personal strengths with notes of bergamot, oak moss, ambergris, and musk to create the undeniable Mantra Powerful. Rise up and embrace your sense of worth, value, and significance with a sense of Mantra Worthy, carefully selected notes of bergamot, birch, patchouli, oak moss, and musk help create this beautiful scent. And embrace your sense of warmth, tenderness, acceptance, and joy with the floral notes of blackberry, pear, iris, jasmine, orange blossom blended together to create Mantra Loved. Whatever challenges today puts in your path, Mantra Scents are always there to put you back in control. Mantra Scents, botanical scents to lead the life you choose. To order Mantra Scents, contact a My Daily Choice affiliate.